Tough times separate those who give up and those who keep going. Tough times show what heart is really inside. Tough times show what courage is really inside. It's in our toughest moments that we see who people really are. Who are you? You don't know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. Bob Marley said this, and it is so true. You don't even know how strong you are. You have inside you something so great, something so deep, something so strong. Do find that strength inside you. Whatever you are going through, you can get through it. You will get through it, and it will make you stronger. It will make you wiser, and it will make you better. That is what mentally tough people do. They do not allow anything to break them. They force hard times to make them. They learn lessons, they see the blessings, and most importantly, they keep going. What lessons can you learn? What blessings can you take from this? If you ask me, what is the most important thing one can do in overcoming anything? In one word, I will give it to you. Purpose. If you know your purpose, if you know why you do what you do, if you know why you must fight, then you will fight. You will fight for your purpose. You will fight for your love. You will fight for that one person. You will fight for your family, for your friends. You will fight for your legacy. You will fight because you know you don't want future generations to give up because you did. You want them to keep going because you did. You want them to say, I will fight because I saw you fight. I will stay strong because you stood strong. That is mental toughness.